What happens when you combine your art with our science? You get beautiful, long-lasting, restorative results. Introducing Canvas Restorative Solutions. A full line of restorative products for each stage of your workflow, from prep and restore to finish. Canvas Restorative Solutions brings together the brands you already trust into a single thoughtfully curated product portfolio, delivering consistent quality, exceptional value, and reliability, while creating space for meaningful product discovery and innovation. Canvas products are designed to work harmoniously together, helping you restore functionality and the natural aesthetics of the tooth. Canvas is backed by one of the industry's most trusted companies, Henry Schein. And as such, Henry Schein is proud to bring Canvas Restorative Solutions to dental professionals worldwide. Discover how Canvas can integrate seamlessly into your practice. Canvas Restorative Solutions. Visit henryschein.com/canvas or contact your sales representative to learn more.